So this was done 2 days ago. And as you can see, there is some cutting going on, right? This is all done. Now let me show you how fast it gets dirty. You see this? This is totally done, right? But this is all the dust that's on it, right? It has to get totally cleaned one more time, right? All this. All these surfaces has to be cleaned again. Not the walls. The walls might need a wipe down, but as you can see, all of this is done. But there's dust on everything. So all of this is done, but we will have to come back and get it done one more time. So that's the part of post-construction cleaning, right? Sometimes you can't help it. Sometimes you just have to do the cleaning before the rest of the work is done. But if you can help it, right? Who is, the guy working or drinking? Anyway, right? See all this? This is all cleaned out. But because of the construction, right, you can have the surfaces dirty again. So this is some of the things that, see all this, right? All of this is clean. It was clean. All of this was totally clean. But now they are dusty again. So it will come back. The thing with us is when we take the construction work, we are with you to the end, right? We are with you till you don't need us. So that's part of what you get when you work with us. So these surfaces were all cleaned. This is all done 2 days ago. But it just let you understand like the level of construction dust and how fast it goes. See? All of this. Okay, so let's look at the back. So all of this was done, but it's still covered with dust again. All these floors. Oh my gosh. This was totally done. This was totally done. Then we come here. As you can see, we removed all the plastic that was there and the plastic on the equipment. But as you can see, they are dusty again, right? All the surfaces are dusty again. So whenever you are doing anything that's construction, just remember that the dust is not going to be less, because if they are doing a cutting, it's going to be, not the same accumulation, but a closer to, right, what we got. So now look, all of this we have to clean again. So like I said, when we start with you, we are with you to the end, right? We are with you till the end. So far as you are honest with us, we are honest with you. So I say that because we come across a lot of people that are not honest. So that's why I made that statement. So with that said, we'll be back. See all this dust again. We'll be back and we'll get it done. All right.